Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sali, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. In the previous video, that is lecture number 17, we have gone through the comparison between water tube boilers and fire tube boiler, and then we have seen what are the boiler mountings. Okay, so here in this video, we'll go through what are boiler accessories. So why these accessories are important in running of the steam boilers. So these boiler accessories are required to improve the efficiency of steam boiler and to enable for the proper working of the boiler. So like mountings, even if you don't use these accessories, the boiler will be running at a very efficient, or what you can say, at a good standard rate. Okay, just to improve its efficiency and economy, what we do, we use these accessories. So we'll be seeing these accessories. What are the different accessories are used in the steam boilers? The first one is economizer, and then air preheater, feed pump, superheater, steam generator, and steam trap. So these using a chart, okay, we'll be explaining all these different accessories. So let's go through the first one, that is economizer. So economizer, it is a device. So its function is to heat the feed water by utilizing the heat from the exhaust flue gases. You can see here this is the economizer. So this economizer is placed in between the path of these gases which are coming out from the boiler and which are going to the atmosphere through the chimney. So what this economizer does is it takes the heat from these hot flue gases and it's heat these feed water before it is fed to the boiler. So that is what the economizer does. So why this economizer is used? It is used to improve the economy and efficiency of the steam boiler by reducing the fuel consumption. So next, air preheater. So what is this air preheater? So it is used to recover the heat from the exhaust flue gases to preheat the air before it is sent to the combustion chamber. So in the boiler, the air is sent to the boiler. Okay. So to burn the coal, okay, to burn the coal, the air is required. So just before sending it, what we do, we preheat it. So how that preheating is done? It is done by utilizing the heat from these flue gases, exhaust flue gases, which are going to the atmosphere. So using that heat, the air is preheated. So when the air is preheated, it will be having some initial temperature, and the combustion of the whatever the coal is there, it takes place very efficiently. For that reason, the air preheater is used. Next, feed pump. So what this feed pump, its function is to force the feed water at high pressure into the boiler, right? So it is nothing but a pump which pumps the water from the storage to the boiler at high pressure. For that reason, feed pump is used. So you can also feed the water using any external force directly to the boiler, but here what, it is pumped at the higher pressure. So that's why what the efficiency can be improved. Next, we'll see. So what is superheater? So the superheater, its function is to increase the temperature of the steam above the saturation temperature, so without increasing the pressure of the steam. So that is what the superheater is. You can see here, this is the superheater. So whatever the steam that is coming out of the boiler, it is fed to the superheater. So this superheater, what it does, it increases the temperature of the steam, but keeping the pressure same. It doesn't increase the pressure, it keeps the pressure of the steam same, just it increases the temperature. So the purpose of this superheating is to increase its capacity to do work. Okay, so if there is a higher temperature steam, so its capacity to do work will be higher. For that reason, this superheater is used. Next, we'll see what is steam separator. Okay, so steam separator, its function is to separate water particles from the steam flowing in the pipeline. Okay, so steam separator, what it does, it separates the water particles from the steam. So if a steam is there which is generated, so it will be having some water particles. So this steam separator, it separates the water particles from the steam and it sends only the dry steam further through these pipelines. So next, steam trap. So steam trap, you can say again, it is a device to drain off the condensed water accumulating in the steam pipeline. So whatever there, once the steam separator, it separates the water particles from the steam. So whatever that water particles are there, that has to be sent off, right? So that water particles can, whatever the condensed water is there, water particles is there, it has to be drained off. Okay, so that is done by the steam trap. So the steam trap, it drains off the condensed water which is accumulated in the steam pipe lines. So these are the boiler accessories that we have seen. Okay, so we have seen different types of accessories. So again, even without using these accessories, the steam boiler can run very normally, very good condition. So these accessories are used so that the efficiency and the economy of the steam boiler is improved or increased. Okay. Thank you.